Hello students, let us discuss new topic statics. Example 1. The marks obtained by 30 students of class 10th of a certain school in a mathematics paper consisting of 100 marks are presented in table below. Find the mean of the marks obtained by the student. Now first we draw 3 columns. Marks obtained represented by xi and number of students represent fi. Now third column, product of xi and xi and fi. 10 1 ja 10, 20 1 ja 20, 36 multiply 3 108, 40 multiply 4 160, 53 ja 150, 56 multiply 2 112, 60 multiply 4 240, 70 multiply 4 280, 72 ja 72 1 ja 72, 81 ja 80, 88 2 ja 176, 92 3 ja 276, 95 1 ja 95. Now total summation of fi is 30 and summation of fi xi is 1779. Now formula of mean equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi equal to some value of summation fi xi 1779. Value of summation fi 30. Now their calculation 59.3. Hence median is 59.3. Now example second. The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary school of rural areas of various states and union territory of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers by all the three methods discussed in this section. Now percentage of female teachers and number of states, union territories. Now percent of female teachers, number of states. Now we find the class mark. Formula of class mark is upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. Now 15 plus 25 40, 40 divided by 2 we get 20. 25 plus 35 60, 60 divided by 2 we get 30. 35 plus 45 we get 80, 80 divided by 2 that is 40. 45 plus 55 that is 100, 100 divided by 2 we get 50. 55 plus 65 that is 120 divided by 2 we get 60. 65 plus 75 we get 140 divided by 2 that is 70. 75 plus 85 that is 160 divided by 2 we get 80. This is your class mark. Now product of frequency and class mark. 6 multiply 20 120, 11 multiply 30 330, 7 multiply 40 280, 4 multiply 50 200, 4 multiply 60 240, 2 multiply 70 140, 1 multiply 80 80. Now summation of fi is 35 and summation of fi and xi is 1390. Formula of mean is summation of fi xi upon summation of fi. Value of summation fi xi is 1390 divided by summation of fi that is 35. and their calculation is 39.71. This is your required answer. Now exercise 14.1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Number of plants and number of house. Which method did you use for finding the mean and why? Now, first we draw 4 columns. First column is number of plants, second number of houses represented by Fi, and third class mark, that is Xi. Product of Fi and Xi is fourth column. We see this data contains small value, so we solve this question by direct method. Now, number of plants, number of houses. Now we find class mark. 0 plus 2 up to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 divided by 2, we get 3. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 divided by 2, we get 5. 6 plus 8, 14 divided by 2, we get 7. 8 plus 10, 18 divided by 2, we get 9. 10 plus 12, that is 22, divided by 2, we get 11. 12 plus 14, 26, divided by 2, we get 13. Now 1 1 ja 1, 2 3 ja 6, 1 5 ja 5, 5 7 ja 35, 6 9 ja 54, 2 11 ja 22, 3 13 ja 39. Now summation of frequency, that is 20, and also given 20. Summation of Fi and Xi is 162. Now mean equal to summation of Fi and Xi upon summation of Fi, 162 upon 20. Now divide by 2, we get 10. 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 10. 81 upon 10. This is your 81 upon 10. Can we write mean equal to 8.1 plants? 81 upon 10, write in the form 8.1 plants. Hence, mean number of plants per house in 8.1 plants. We use direct method for finding the mean because given values are small. Now, question number 2. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers in a factory. Daily wages in rupees, number of workers. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using appropriate method. Now, given value is very large, so we use step deviation method. Daily wages in rupees. Number of workers Fi. Class mark. 100 plus 120, that is 220, divided by 2, we get 110. 120 plus 140, that is 260, divided by 2, we get 130. 140 plus 160, that is 300, divided by 2, we get 150. Similarly, other value. Now, let A equal to 150. Let middle class mark, that is 150, and now we find di equal to Xi minus A. 110 minus 150, that is minus 40. 130 minus 150, that is minus 20. 150 minus 150, 0. 170 minus 150, 20. 190 minus 150, 40. is 150. Now H is 20. Difference between the class interval, that is 20. So we divide all values by 20. We get 20 2 ja 40, 21 ja 20, 0, 21 ja 20, 22 ja 40. Now product of ui and fi, that is 12 multiply minus 2 minus 24, 14 multiply minus 1, that is minus 14, 8 0 0, 6 1 ja 6, 10 2 ja 20, and their summation is minus 12, and summation of frequency is 50. Now formula of step deviation, that is a plus summation fi ui upon summation fi multiply h. A value of a is 150 plus summation fi ui is minus 12 upon summation fi 50 multiply 20. 0 0 cancel out, 12 2 ja 24, that is minus 24 upon 5, and their calculation is rupees 145.2. Hence mean daily wages of workers is rupees 145.20. Now do exercise 14.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.